Good morning, my people. I just woke up, and from the little you have already seen, I went to the beauty parlor yesterday, and I got to redo my hair. So it's time to oil it, and before it actually gets oily, I'll just do my face first, and then after doing my face, I'm gonna do my hair. And then it's the LOC still, liquid oil cream. That's what we're trying. I think for the next few months, and maybe I don't know how it's gonna take because I have to try all the methods. But we are doing the LOC. So first of all, I'm gonna do my face. Yeah. In case you're new here, I'm gonna use the argan facial oil, and then do my hair and head out again to the beauty parlor. I didn't finish the self-care routine. I'm gonna do my nails, probably just wash my hands and get them cleaned out, but no polish. But on my feet, we're gonna do full polish thing, and let's see how it goes. We'll meet on the other side. For now,
experiencing skin bugs, wrinkly skin, dry skin, and much more? Here you get your best skin solutions from the merchants of Glow. Get to find us at Instagram and Facebook with the handle Affiliate Beauty Brand The Merchant of Glow. Contact us on 254-726-365-259 and get to grab your silly full basket today.
I'm usually not going to shower before going to the salon. I'm just going to go and come back. And it's cold, that's why I'm oiling my face, because I do not want any breakouts. I don't know how I'm going to hold this hair so that it does not touch my face. I'm gonna ask them to pin it somehow for me, because I do not want it coming into contact with my face at all, because I feel pretty and I know I do look pretty. Massaging all the goodness into my skin. So that's it. This is water. For those who do not know, this is just clean water. I used to use this body splash on my body immediately after showering while my body is still kind of damp, but already like dried off but still damp-ish. Then I just use this body splash and then go in with the butter, and I'm good to go. Guys, I used to do my own hair, but at this point I get tired. It's really long, not so long, but its length is overwhelming, so I can't really like do my own hair in a single day anymore, unless it's big maturas. Ulikuja hapa na matura. I think it's really good. I'll start with these lines and then kind of roll it up in a knot so that after oiling it doesn't really touch my face. I'm massaging in the water. In between the lines, like on the spaces, I'm gonna do the coconut. Then on the lines themselves, like the hair, I'm gonna do the portion. Coconut is kind of combined, so I don't know. It's cold, and at room temperature this thing it easily can even become solid, so I'm trying to see how to get it out. It's already begun melting. So I'll just massage it in. I applied the excess on this strand. Even if I applied on the spaces, still the hair got it. Done with my routine. We'll meet you in the salon, so let's go. I got at the beauty parlor and they were waiting for me, so I just got in and everything was set. I was the first client. I was so happy. The space was spacious, no congestion, and I was able to relax without even having my mask on, because you guys, masks and my skin, they're not friends at all. So my feet were done and it on my hands, but in between I had to go pick my a silly parcel that I had been waiting for so long. As I was waiting for my polish to dry off, I got an errand to help a mom who had visited the place for some services to hold her baby, you know. And the reason as to why I placed that photo of the makeup brush there, it's to hide the baby's face, because I need to respect people's feelings and respectfully understand that they are not social media people, or I can't just start putting people's faces on social media without consent. So for the baby, and that's an innocent baby actually, and her mom had just come, so I had to help without actually hurting anyone's feelings, you know. And you know, the fact that the mom was able to find time, come, you know, I mean, mothers are there at home taking care of the home, and especially if they have a small child like the one I was holding. I was imagining it is in July, it's cold, and then she has to find some time to come and pamper herself, to look good at least and feel good about herself while she's still having the baby there. Means she doesn't even have a babysitter maybe, or doesn't prefer leaving the baby with the babysitter in any case. So it is so good to actually respect that. That's why I inserted a certain clip.
I just don't accept certain apologies. You did what you did at the expense of my emotions. I understand it, and I don't respect it.
home. Someone is watching Emanuela, in case you hear it from the background. And I'm taking supper, of course, some liver and matoke and potatoes. So when you saw me on the motorbike, you already know I was heading to pick my Asili package, and I found Mama Asili, and I'm so glad I got to pick my new packs. So you guys just hook up with Mama Asili, and actually these are new containers. We'll still go back to our normal containers because these are kind of bigger, and the amount is still the same, of which I know if you buy the oil, you're also buying the container. So I bought another butter, and this is mango butter, and I also got myself shea butter because I need to start or resume. I need to resume my aerobics and my exercise routines. I need to resume because I initially was doing them and I used to love doing it, and I've never recorded any session, but I always use shea butter before doing the exercises, and immediately after showering, applying on the waistline, mostly on the booty or butt, so that my stretch marks do not increase. Yeah, so yeah, and actually stretch marks are good, and it's kind of a good thing. Like, oh my god, this girl has a lot of striae. I mean, it shows that your body is undergoing some kind of growth or changes, so it's acceptable to have a few of those, but too many of them I really do not love when they're on my body. So here comes the savior. And then you saw in the place that I was trying to help someone with the baby, I got myself makeup brushes. They are makeup brushes. Fafula is a company or brand name, and they're saying it's a high quality assurance, so let me trust them. I'm gonna remove one by one and see. I don't know what they use, but I'll try and go through each one of them. So this is the set that they come in. You could actually carry them in this, like this, without having to remove them. I basically needed this big one, and for the metallic parts I'm gonna cover them with tape. So I needed it for my mask because I need to upgrade, you guys. And then I just realized there are other things that I don't know what to use for. I don't know what they are for. If you do know, comment down below, but I'll also go and do my search and see. There's also this one. We actually used it and washed it and sanitized it and put it back. So there is also this one. I don't know what it is for, and it's actually written professional beauty tools, so I don't know if it's able to be seen, but it's been written Fafula makeup brush professional beauty tools. So there's also this one, and still the same thing. I think this is for here or here, I'm not really sure, but it looks like it. And then there's also this one, and I love the fact that this color is just also girly and lovely and toned down. I love the color, and this is so nice. I don't know what it is for, but I will search. Also, if you know, do make sure to comment down below. You can specify what each brush is for. This one, Oh, my sister is telling me like these tiny ones are for shaping this, but I thought that this could be this one, like for combing. I do not want to touch my face with them because I have to sanitize, but I don't know, this is for foundation. No, but it has a kanini, so like it's for like this, and then this other side is for, I think I'm gonna bring her a broad next in the next vlog and explain these things, I think in a sit down, I don't know. And then I'm also gonna do a pusher ad for her. She does bags, pretty Ankara bags, so yeah. And then there's also this one, I'm told still for the same, but we'll find out. The only thing I am really sure about were these two, this and this. So this is for here, and then this is for those two nywellas here, the lashes. Are they the brows or the lashes? Because I thought this is the brows, these are lashes. So yes, so that's the end of this vlog. I'm not gonna pull it any further, and thanks for coming along. If you do like my content up to this point, you know what we do, we subscribe, turn on the notification bell, we share to those who may like this kind of content, and we leave a comment down below. Bye guys, it's time for me to eat.